Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop series. Today it is the 100th project of the entire series. I have no challenges today and I don't really have a plan for this project, so I'm just going to make whatever I feel in my heart and we'll talk about it at the end of the episode. For this 100th project, I really wanted to create a character that was really deep within their own mind and is struggling trying to get out. And I wanted to represent that with a lot of these mixed media textures, such as plastic, cotton, sequins, a lot of the materials I've used in previous projects already this season, but I wanted to represent them in a new way. I am super excited for the next episode because next week is the Blacklight Challenge, and it's a double creation round where I will be making 2 projects in one episode. Till next week, have a good week, everyone.